Hi everyone. So today we will install web method component in Linux. So first we need to install VMware Workstation. So I have already installed VMware Workstation. So double click on VMware Workstation. Here it will open. Then here you have to create new virtual machine. For that you have to click on create. So here we will select typical. You can also select the custom, but here we will select the typical, which is recommended. So after selecting the typical, click on the next. So here we will select the our Fedora operating system. So I have selected no. uh, Click on the next. Then here you have to provide the name. Suppose Asif. I'm giving the same name, same password. So this is my full name, this is username and password. Confirm password. Then click on the next. Here you can give the virtual machine name. Suppose I'm giving the virtual machine know demo. Okay, so here you can select the location of where you want to install. So I am installing inside the document. This is the path. You can select anywhere where you want to install. So just click on the browse, and then you can select virtual machine and whatever you want to. So I'm installing I will create one more folder. In that I will install. So I give the name demo. Okay, so I will select demo, then click on OK. So let me check. Yes, it is selected. So now click on the next. After that here maximum disk size you can give 40 or 60. So I'm giving here 60, and here select split virtual disk into the multiple files, and then click on the next. Here you can customize your hardware. So click on the customize based on RAM. You can, suppose I'm giving the RAM 4 GB, so I have increased my RAM. Then you can also select the processor. You can assign, this is the default one, so I go with the default one, and then click on the finish. So here you can see VMware is installing. Maybe it will take time, so we will see after